Monetize your skills in 2024 using this tool. We are talking about Topmate.io that helps you convert your skills into income using features like one to one call, digital product selling, and much more. In this video, you will learn new user sign up, adding bank payout details, understanding Topmate fees, 10 ideas to use Topmate to monetize your skills, and services available in Topmate. I have created a detailed video on how to add services. Link is in the description. If you are a first time user, you can sign up on the platform using this link. Using a Google account or LinkedIn account, you can join directly or enter your details and then click Get Started. On this page, enter your social media account, which is mandatory, enter Topmate page link, and select some details like how do you plan to use Topmate, what all do you plan to offer, and click Next. Now select your field of expertise. Topmate will suggest some services that you can select from. Now comes the selection where you need to select the day and time of your availability. Click Next and you will reach this page where you can select the day and time of your availability. This is very important because your appointments or your one to one calls will be booked based on these timings. Your audience will be able to book your time based on these settings. Now, one last thing is add your WhatsApp contact to receive all the updates like bookings directly on your WhatsApp. You can add your profile intro over here, like I'm adding as an example. You can also select the theme color using this color picker. Upload your profile picture. Make sure to select a professional looking photo for business related profile. Now save all the settings. Either you can edit your services here or through the dashboard. Now let's set up the payments. This is your dashboard. On the left menu, select payments to set up your bank account. Click on connect payout and select currency. I will select Indian rupees and next select the country. Confirm the details and now enter your bank account details. Save the changes. Let's understand the Topmate fees. Visit the link topmate.io, click on pricing. Topmate charges you per transaction, meaning whenever you get paid for your digital products or services, Topmate deducts a certain percentage from that transaction amount. Now there are currently two plans, basic and premium. Basic charges you 7% per transaction and premium plan charges 10% per transaction. You can read what all features are available in each of the plans. How to identify premium service? Whenever we see a tag that says premium, and if you use that feature, then your transaction will charge the premium rate that is 10% of the sale amount. Second example, under marketing, WhatsApp campaigns are tagged premium and you will be able to use this service only if you are a premium user of Topmate. How to check your transactions on Topmate? On the left hand side, in the payments section, you can check the summary tab where you can see all the transactions. If you click on transaction tab, all transactions, service bookings and withdrawals will be visible. If you have any payout related queries, you can click on payout FAQs link and read all the policies. 10 ideas to use Topmate and monetize your skills. First idea, if you are working professional and offer career guidance or mentorship services, you can use one-to-one call that you can charge for example 499 for 15 minutes and for 1 hour 1699. If you offer resume review, you can also use one-to-one call for face-to-face review. Here are 9 more ideas. Mock interview session, one-to-one clarity call to close deals, one-to-one personal mentorship session, create and sell digital product like interview prep questions guide PDF format, create and sell digital product free PDF guide how to write a resume, create your own courses, group webinar for a workshop on content creation, one-to-one call for doubt solving session, group webinar to teach Python programming. These are a few ideas for services that can be created on Topmate. Services available on Topmate. One-to-one call booking. When someone visits my Topmate page, this is how they can book a one-to-one call with me. They can select their preferred day and time based on available slots, add their details and make the payment. Webinar. You can create a webinar, enter details, and add a Zoom or Google Meet link in the hosting options section. Your audience will receive this link once they pay and book this webinar. Here is an example meeting link I'm creating from Google Meet and adding in the webinar. Go to Google Meet, create a meeting, and copy the link created. Paste it in the hosting options section. Other services like Priority DMs, you can answer DMs on Priority when it's paid. Digital products where you can sell files or courses. And lastly, package, it's a combination of all the others. If you want to learn how to add services in Topmate, here is a detailed video that I have created. Link is in the description. Do hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to stay with me on this channel. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye.